I chose to do my topic over sea level risings. How did this research make my thoughts and feelings about this issue change? Well, all the research about sea level rising has very much changed my opinion and thoughts about this issue. I didn't really care about sea level rising because I never really heard about it before. And I never thought it was a big deal because I just never listened about it. But after researching on this topic, it showed me how much of an issue it will cause everyone in the future. And personally, it concerns me because I don't want anyone to be affected by it. I don't want people to be affected by this issue, and I think it really needs to be talked about more because of how much of an issue it is. I now will be paying more attention to it and watching it more closely and hoping more people will pay attention to it. I argued in my paper that people don't pay close enough attention to sea level rising. And some of my main points on my paper is how many people will be affected by the sea level rising. I don't think a lot of people notice how much they will be affected. Everyone that lives on any kind of coastline, not just America, but like Canada, Egypt, and Australia, they will be affected because their land will be the land's going to be slowly starting to flood over time, meaning that they're going to lose their homes, their jobs, anything that they care about. But those are not the only people who will be affected by it over time. The people who will be affected by it also is the people inland, because people who live on the coast will have to find new homes and new jobs. So that means it's going to be starting to get overpopulated over time, and it's going to cause a huge problem because inland there's just not enough room for all the people who live on the coast. The places that will be most affected will be China, Netherlands, India, Brazil, Egypt, United States, New Zealand, Australia, and Fiji, and many more places, but those are just the main ones. Another main point in my paper is how long sea level rising has been around. It has been around for a very long time, but in 1880, it just was starting to be recorded because scientists didn't start until 1880. Since 1880, it has risen to 8 to 9 inches. It doesn't seem like a lot, but it really is over time. And the two main factors causing sea level to change is first, thermal expansion, which is when water starts to warm up and it will expand, and that will cause sea level rising to start to go up. The water is warming up because of global warming. Second is melting of ice, which is glaciers and ice sheets being warmed up caused by global warming over time. Greenland and Antarctica ice sheets are the two main places that are losing the most melting ice sheets. Solutions to help prevent sea level rising is zero gas mission, which is where we, as everyone, needs to start going to more electrical things that doesn't mean to use gas, like electric cars, using solar panels, and all that other stuff. My final main point is what will happen if we do nothing. Anyone who lives on coastlines will again lose their jobs, their homes, anything that they care about. It will be devastating. If we don't do anything, by 2060, there will be nothing that will be able to fix it. It will just be destruction after destruction and mass chaos. I hope this video shows you the importance of sea level rising, and I hope you pay more close attention and start to try to prevent. Thank you.